42 questions. How far can you get? Let's go! Question 1. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Is it Venus, Mercury, or Earth? Option B. Mercury. Mercury orbits nearest the Sun. Question 2. What is the red planet? Saturn, Mars, Jupiter. Lock it in. Option B. Mars. Iron oxide makes Mars red. Question 3. Which is the largest planet? Neptune, Jupiter, or Saturn? Option B. Jupiter. Jupiter has greatest diameter. Question 4. How many moons does Earth have? Is it 4, 1, or 2? Option B. 1. Earth has 1 natural moon. Question 5. What type of object is the Sun? Star, comet, planet. Lock it in. Option A. Star. The Sun is an average star. Question 6. Who first walked on the moon? Neil Armstrong, Yuri Gagarin, or Buzz Aldrin? Option A. Neil Armstrong. Armstrong stepped first in 1969. Question 7. The Milky Way is a what? Is it nebula, black hole, or galaxy? Option C. Galaxy. Milky Way is our home galaxy. Level 2. Level 2. Building up. Still perfect? Tell me in the comments. Question 8. Which planet has the most spectacular rings? Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus. Lock it in. Option A. Saturn. Saturn has brightest ring system. Question 9. Which planet has a giant red storm? Venus, Mars, or Jupiter? Option C. Jupiter. Jupiter's great red spot is a storm. Question 10. Which major galaxy is nearest to us? Is it Whirlpool, Triangulum, or Andromeda? Option C. Andromeda. Andromeda is the closest major galaxy. Question 11. Who was first human in space? Yuri Gagarin, Alan Shepard, Neil Armstrong. Lock it in. Option A. Yuri Gagarin. Gagarin orbited Earth in 1961. Question 12. A light year measures what? Distance, speed, or time? Option A. Distance. Light year measures distance. That was a tough one. Got it? Most people didn't. Missed it? That's one life. Quick fact. 1 equals nearly 6 trillion miles. Question 13. How many moons does Mars have? Is it 1, 4, or 2? Option C. 2. Mars has Phobos and Deimos. Question 14. Which planet has extreme greenhouse heat? Mercury, Mars, Venus. Lock it in. Option C. Venus. Venus is hottest despite distance. Level 3. Level 3. The twist. Still perfect? Tell me in the comments. Question 15. Pluto is now classed as what? Terrestrial, ice giant, or dwarf planet? Option C. Dwarf planet. Pluto is a dwarf planet. Question 16. Which mission first soft landed on Mars? Is it Viking 1, Pathfinder, or Mariner 4? Option A. Viking 1. Viking 1 landed successfully in 1976. Question 17. What force holds galaxies together? Magnetism, dark energy, gravity. Lock it in. Option C. Gravity. Gravity binds stars and galaxies. Question 18. What is the Sun mostly made of? Helium, hydrogen, or carbon? Option B. Hydrogen. The Sun is mostly hydrogen. That was a tough one. Got it? Most people didn't. Missed it? That's one life. Quick fact. It fuses 620 million tons per second. Question 19. Official number of constellations? Is it 12, 50, or 88? Option C, 88. There are 88 official constellations. Question 20. What is a black hole's edge called? Event horizon, accretion disk, singularity. Lock it in. Option A, event horizon. Event horizon is point of no return. Question 21. What telescope took first black hole image? Event horizon, Hubble, or Chandra? Option A, Event Horizon. Event Horizon telescope imaged it. That's halfway. How's your score holding up? Quick fact, it shows M87's supermassive black hole. Level 4, Speed Round. Ready? Go! Question 22, Speed Round. Largest moon? Is it Titan, Luna, or Ganymede? Option C, Ganymede. Ganymede exceeds Mercury in size. Question 23, Speed Round. Age of universe? 13.8 billion, 4.6 billion, 10 billion. Lock it in. Option A, 13.8 billion. Universe is 13.8 billion years old. Question 24, Speed Round. Mars rover still active? Perseverance, Opportunity, or Curiosity? Option C, Curiosity. Curiosity continues exploring Gale Crater. Question 25, Speed Round. First space telescope. Is it Spitzer, Hubble, or Kepler? Option B, Hubble. Hubble launched in 1990. That was a tough one. Got it? Most people didn't. Missed it? That's one life. Quick fact, it is observed over 50,000 targets. Question 26, Speed Round. Io is moon of Saturn, Jupiter, Neptune. Lock it in. Option B, Jupiter. Io orbits Jupiter with volcanoes. Question 27, Speed Round. Exoplanet discovery year. 2005, 1992, or 1985? Option B, 1992. First confirmed in 1992. Question 28, Speed Round. Main asteroid belt location? Is it beyond Neptune, near Venus, or between Mars and Jupiter? Option C, between Mars and Jupiter. It lies between Mars and Jupiter. Level 5, Expert. Still perfect? Tell me in the comments. Question 29. What is the James Webb Telescope primarily studying? Radio waves, infrared universe, X-rays. Lock it in. Option B, infrared universe. It observes an infrared spectrum. Quick fact, it can see back 13.5 billion years. Question 30. What causes a shooting star? Satellite re-entry, distant nova, or meteor burning up? Option C, meteor burning up. Meteors burn up in atmosphere. Quick fact, most are tiny as a grain of sand. Question 31. Which moon has geysers of nitrogen? Is it Enceladus, Triton, or Europa? Option B, Triton. Triton orbits Neptune backwards. Question 32. What is the Oort cloud? Gas cloud, comet reservoir, asteroid field. Lock it in. Option B, comet reservoir. Oort cloud is distant comet source. Question 33. Approximate diameter of our galaxy. 100,000 light years, 1 million, or 5,000 light years? Option A, 100,000 light years. Milky Way spans 100,000 light years. Quick fact, it contains 100 to 400 billion stars. Question 34. Which probe visited Pluto? Is it New Horizons, Cassini, or Voyager 2? Option A, New Horizons. New Horizons flew by in 2015. Question 35. What is dark matter? Exotic gas, invisible mass, black holes. Lock it in. Option B, invisible mass. It provides unseen gravitational pull. Level 6. Level 6, the final level. Still perfect? Tell me in the comments. Question 36. First woman in space name. Sally Ride, Valentina Tereshkova, or Mae Jemison? Option B, Valentina Tereshkova. Tereshkova flew aboard Vostok 6. Quick fact, she orbited Earth 48 times in 1963. Question 37. What is the pillars of creation? Is it Saturn rings, Eagle Nebula towers, or Mars canyons? Option B, Eagle Nebula towers. Pillars are in Eagle Nebula. 5 left. This is where most people fall. Question 38. How many asteroids larger than 1 kilometer? Exactly 500. Under 100. Over a million. Lock it in. Option C. Over a million. Over a million exceed 1 kilometer. Question 39. What is cosmic microwave background? Solar wind, galaxy noise, or Big Bang remnant? Option C. Big Bang remnant. It is radiation from the Big Bang. Quick fact. It dates to 380,000 years after creation. Question 40. Which star will be closest in 1.3 million years? Is it Vega, Gliese 710, or Sirius? Option B, Gliese 710. Gliese 710 will pass very near. Question 41. What is the Virgo supercluster part of? Andromeda cluster, Laniakea, local group only. Lock it in. Option B, Laniakea. Virgo supercluster sits inside Laniakea. One more after this. Make it count. Quick fact, Laniakea spans 500 million light years. Question 42. Diameter of observable universe? 1 billion, 93 billion light years, or 13.8 billion? Option B, 93 billion light years. Observable universe spans 93 billion light years. Quick fact, it continues expanding faster than light. That's all 42 questions. You had 3 chances to fall. How many did you take? Comment your number. Like and subscribe for more quiz challenges.